If you're looking to make $500 a day online in 2025 and you're starting completely from scratch, then this is for you. Because the truth is, there are beginner-friendly ways to get there that don't involve complicated tech or a massive social media following, or spending thousands on ads. So in this video, I'm going to walk you through 3 of the fastest, most realistic paths to $500 a day, even if you've never made a penny online before. These aren't get-rich-quick tricks. They're real business models that work if you put the effort in. And I'll share some shortcuts with you that I wish I had when I got started so you can move faster. So hit the like button, subscribe to the channel and turn on the notifications because I release 2 videos a week to help you build an income online. Let's start with my favourite model for building predictable online income, and that's reoccurring affiliate marketing. Here's the simple version. You promote a product or a service that charges customers every single month, like a $30 a month subscription tool, something that pays you a commission every single month that someone stays subscribed. It's different from promoting one-off products where you only get paid once. Here, you're stacking income over time. If you bring in 10 subscribers in January and another 10 in February, then by March you've got 30 people paying you every single month. If that product pays 50% commission, then you're making $15 per person per month. Scale that to 1,000 subscribers and now you're at $500 a day in predictable income, without constantly chasing new sales just to try and stay afloat. And from there on, it just compounds. $500 a day, $1,000 a day, $5,000 a day, there's really no limit to it. The key to making this work is picking products that people actually stick with. That's why I like promoting tools or memberships that are genuinely useful. If it saves someone time, makes them money, or solves an ongoing problem, then they're far more likely to stay subscribed. And one of the best parts is, you don't need to create your own product. You don't have to deal with shipping or handle any customer service. Your job is to simply connect the right people to the right offer. You also don't need to overcomplicate the setup. I've had students start with nothing more than a simple one-page website and an email list and a free guide as their lead magnet. Once you have that in place, you can start building your audience with short videos, blog posts, or even just helpful tips in Facebook groups. That's why I created the Affiliate Starter Pack. It gives you a plug-and-play funnel, email scripts, and templates so you can skip the tech headaches and just focus on getting traffic. The link to that is in the description below if you want a copy. Now, it's important to remember that recurring affiliate marketing isn't about going viral overnight. The first month might feel slow, but every month you're stacking more and more income. I've seen people start with just a handful of subscribers, and with consistency, they've turned it into a full-time 6-figure income in under a year. If you want an income that keeps paying you even when you take a break, then this is the smartest way to build it. The second path is a little different, and it can get you to $500 a day much faster. I'm talking about high-ticket closing. High ticket just means high price. These offers are in the 2K to 10K plus range, things like coaching programs, consulting packages, done-for-you services, or premium software. And the closing part is where you come in. You get on the phone or on a Zoom call with someone who's already interested, and you help them decide whether it's the right fit for them. If they buy, then you earn a commission, often 10% to 30%. That means a single sale could earn you $500, $1,000, even $1,500 in one go. And here's the best part. You don't need to create the product, you don't need to find the leads, and you don't have to run any marketing. The companies you work with handle all of that. They already have people booking calls, they just need someone to handle the actual closing. A lot of people think you need to be some sort of Wolf of Wall Street style closer to do this. You don't. The best high ticket closers are calm, they're good listeners, and they're genuinely interested in helping. It's more about asking the right questions and understanding the person's goals than delivering some big sales pitch. Now, it is a skill. You'll want to learn how to structure a call, handle objections, and guide someone to a decision without being pushy. But it's a skill that you can learn surprisingly quickly. And once you have it, it's incredibly valuable. I put together the high ticket closer kit for exactly this reason. It includes the exact call script that I used to close my first 10k deal online in under 30 days, plus a DM script and objection handling flow. It's completely free and it's linked below in the description. High ticket closing can be a fantastic way to bring in bigger chunks of cash while you're building something more long term in the background, like reoccurring affiliate income that we just covered. You could start closing deals in weeks and you could do it all from your home with just a laptop and Wi-Fi. The third path is creating and selling your own digital products. When I say digital products, I'm talking about things like templates, guides, swipe files, or mini courses. The kind of thing that you can create once and sell over and over again without any extra work. The big advantage of this is you keep 100% of the profit. If you sell something for $11, then you get all of the $11. I use a low ticket product in my own business, my Business Builder Bundle, as what I call a tripwire offer. It's priced so low that it's a no-brainer for my audience, especially with the amount of value that's included in the bundle itself. The individual tools together sell for $121, so snapping them all up for $11 is a clear win for people, and it quickly turns new subscribers into paying customers. Once someone's bought from you once, they're much more likely to buy again, and often at a higher price point. That means your low ticket product isn't just making you money, it's also warming up your buyers for your bigger offers. If you're starting out, you can create a simple digital product in a weekend. Think about a specific problem your audience has and create a resource that solves it. That could be a checklist, a set of ready-to-use templates, or a short video training. You can host it on platforms like Gumroad or Payhip, or even within your own email platform and promote it through your social media, your email list, or your collaborations with other creators. And the best part is, once it's set up, it can sell for you 24/7 without you lifting a finger. Digital products also work really well alongside the other two methods that we've covered. Someone might buy your $11 product, then get an email about a $30 a month subscription that you're an affiliate for, and then later join a high ticket program that you provide. A lot of my customers tend to be long-term customers. They come in for a freebie, they like the value they got from it, so they buy a digital product, they find that helpful, so they become a mentee, and as they're happy with the results and how it's changed their lives, they stay on board. That's how you build a successful business with multiple streams of income that all feed into each other. So some great options there, but which one should you actually start with? Well, if you want predictable income that builds every single month, then start with reoccurring affiliate marketing. It's beginner friendly, it's low cost to start, and it scales really, really well. If you need bigger wins much faster, then high ticket closing is the quickest way to earn $500 a day or more in a single day. And if you like the idea of creating something once and selling it forever, then digital products are a great choice. And the best part, you don't have to just pick one. Combining them is how you build a business that's both scalable and stable. So if you're ready to get started, grab the free affiliate starter pack or the high ticket closer kit from the links below. With the right system, a clear path and consistency, you can make this work, even if you're starting completely from zero. Lastly, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel. I release 2 videos a week to help you build an income online. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.